Hi, this is Katie speaking, and I'm just going to be talking about what I did going through the Microsoft Active Directory domain services on AWS Cloud PDF using Quick Start Scenario 3. So you can see here that I have these four here. They're from that Quick Start. This Cloudformer one is one that I've created already to take these and put them through the Cloudformer service that AWS offers. This has been done through Create Stack, Sample Template, Cloudformer, and then to name it and just let it run. I've already made it already, simply for speeding up the process. So I can click on this here, go to Outputs, brings me to this website, which I'll click on, and username and password. Now I've done this in the Singapore region because I haven't done many other things in the Singapore region, and that reduces the amount of different services that may still have items on them that I would have the potential to mix them up and get them confused with what I'm needing for this cloud formation. And here we are in the Cloudformer. So I just go along these top ones because I don't have anything else running. Should simply be a matter of selecting everything that's available, running through, and getting them all organised. Ballistic IPs, you need to make sure you're doing them, otherwise you have to add that into the code later, JSON script, and that's not too fun. I did that for my first one, and thankfully I made another one that had them, and so I was able to just copy the JSON script out, but it was a bit annoying to it. Here, this is where it's good to have a tag. It just shows it in the alt text. Sometimes it's a little bit easy, simply because they have odd names, which is from it doing an automatic amount to make each of them unique. Right, we've got everything that we want. Continue. Wait for it to respond. And it looks like it bugged out, but hopefully everything's still alright. I'm not sure what's happened there, let's try to refresh it. Looks like it's made an error. I'm just going to get out of this, refresh it through the stack that's available, and hopefully that'll refresh all the resources available and I can create it through there. And we're back. So I've managed to get everything organised. This here is what it gives you, such as a large JSON script. The easiest way that I find is to control everything, copy it, and then copy it into my book plus. I've got another thing going there. We'll just exit out of it. Create a new one. Copy and paste it in. Now because it's copied absolutely everything on the screen, I want to make sure this top part is JSON script. JSON isn't a code, it's more of like a formatting script. So it doesn't work with headers. Now then, we'll save this. So this one right here. And now we can try and run it. I tend to name these something pretty simple. Now while it's creating, we can just delete these. They're no longer needed and they charge the account. And I will Now before we go any further, let's just have a look at this one here. See rollback. Maximum number of internet gateways. This isn't what we're after, but we look here, see it's given us a code. Bring it into here. There we are. It's not working. We may as well just delete it out of the script. While we're in it, we can have a look, see what else is. These ones here, but it says cancelled. It's likely because of the first one, so we'll want to run it again, just to make sure everything's all together. Now, just here, I'm trying to recreate the stack from the template. It's given me an error. It's important to take note of because there are quite a few different dependencies, and so for me, it's just a matter of making sure that if you're deleting something, just checking through, making sure it's not anywhere else, and if it is, determining whether that's important or not enough to delete, or whether there's something else in the code or in the services causing the error. So now that all of the dependency errors are sorted, click next, give it a name, go through, just tag it again, something simple, and attempt to create it. And again, it's rolling back. And just like prior, we check through, figure out what's going on, and have check with the JSON script to try and resolve it. And once that's done, eventually it works and creates. So again, creating it, and this time, this one should succeed. Cool, and got it completed. So now it's a matter of changing it so that the instance is smaller, or attempting to access the instance itself, or adjusting the design template so that it's more optimal and doesn't have things such as 3 elastic IPs, which was chosen but not necessary for this. So if we go into our script here, so I'm in script that I've already adjusted. But we can see here we have one elastic IP. Prior to that, look in here, it'll have multiple IPs. So we wanted to cut that down. Just select the ones that don't have dependency, which tends to be the ones that aren't connected. Then if we can look down here, you see here, instance type T2 large, we just want to change that. Make it into a T2 micro, and that just charges less, makes it a smaller instance. And that was pretty much what I did for this. Just really going back and forth, adjusting the template where I could, and making sure it connected. Thanks for listening.